From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, Penn State. I'm Campus Weather Service meteorologist Ryan DePhillips with today's weather report for Thursday. Taking a look at the current conditions at Beaver Stadium, right now it's 64 degrees. The big story has been the haze. It has persisted through early to mid part of this week. Later this weekend, actually, we can see a diminishing effect of that haze as a cold front will clear out the atmosphere and clear out the haze. But right now, we've got the haze, high cirrus clouds, temperature at 64 degrees. Feels like 64 degrees. Dew point at 55. Visibility is unaffected at 10 miles, and the winds are generally calm right now. 64 degrees, State College. Higher elevations could see some temperatures in the upper 50s, as we see that in Clearfield right now. And some low 70s, around 70 degrees in Indiana right now. So temperatures are vary throughout the entire state right now. And you can see that in Philadelphia, it's 70 degrees. Some cooler conditions in the northwest part of the state, 59 degrees in Franklin. Current radar and satellite, you can see some of those high cirrus clouds, some showers around the New York City area. Really nothing to report that's going to affect you throughout this afternoon. But later in this evening, we could see a developing line of showers associated with a cold front. And that's also in the combination to Sally's remnants, which is bringing some really heavy rain in North Carolina, a half a foot possible in Charlotte and Raleigh. Locally, you can even see up to 10 inches. But throughout our area, it's going to be mostly dry. And as we can see that in the later parts of the afternoon, you can see 75 degrees will probably be around the high in State College. You can see those temperatures start to cool down as those winds out of the north with the associated cold front. And as it moves through the center part of the state, it's going to start to dissipate a little bit. You can see a pop-up shower sprinkle. So if you are heading out on this Thursday afternoon, you can see a pop-up shower sprinkle, but nothing really. You don't even need to bring your umbrella because it'll be basically a nuisance. As we head into later tonight into tomorrow morning, temperatures will cool off and clouds will start to move out as temperatures will be in the low to mid 50s, but will start to climb up in the 60s as we move later. But even Saturday night could see some really cool conditions as the cooler air starts to filter in. Temperatures could be close to 32 in the northwest part of the state, mid to upper 30s as we head into Penn State area in the Commonwealth. For today's high, again around 75 degrees with a haze and PM shower possible. Winds will be light for the most part. Tonight's overnight low will be 51 degrees. Early shower chance, but nothing really to be too worried about. And then tomorrow, temperatures will be cooler with a high of 64 degrees with sun really developing later in the day. So it'll be a nice start to the weekend. And it's really going to be a nice weekend. But the big story is that it's going to be cooler. Temperatures could be around 10 degrees below average with a high of 61 degrees on Saturday. Overnight lows in the mid to upper 30s, only a few degrees away from the record low. So it's going to be pretty chilly. But heading into next week, first day of fall, so temperatures will be a little bit more on the rebound. I know some of you who want to be out on Saturday, Sunday at the bars, the curfew will be at 10 p.m. starting on the first day of fall. So temperatures will be cool, so make sure you dress accordingly with a jacket. And then Wednesday, really start to warm up with a high of 75 degrees. And that's your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast. Have a great day.